Did you know that ancient Egyptian workers who built the pyramids were given garlic daily to boost their strength and endurance? Garlic has been valued for thousands of years, not just as food, but as medicine too. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the world's most powerful natural ingredients, garlic. From boosting your immune system to protecting your heart, garlic is truly nature's medicine in disguise. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share some simple tips and practical ways to add more garlic into your daily life. Benefits of garlic. 1. Boosts immunity. Garlic is packed with compounds like allicin that help your body fight off colds, flu, and infections. Regular consumption can make your immune system stronger and more resilient. 2. Supports heart health. Studies show garlic helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol, keeping your heart in better shape. Think of it as a natural protector for your cardiovascular system. 3. Improves digestion. Garlic stimulates digestive enzymes, which helps your gut process food better. It also reduces bloating and helps maintain healthy gut bacteria. 4. Natural detox. Garlic helps your body flush out toxins and heavy metals. It's like a natural cleansing agent for your liver and bloodstream. 5. May prevent certain cancers. Research suggests garlic can lower the risk of certain cancers thanks to its powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Tips on how to use garlic. Eat it raw. Crushing or chopping raw garlic releases allicin, the most powerful compound. Just let it sit for a minute before eating. Mix with honey. A spoonful of crushed garlic mixed with honey is a great natural remedy for colds. Cook wisely. Avoid overheating garlic. Lightly sauté or add it at the end of cooking to keep more nutrients intact. Daily dose. 1 to 2 cloves a day is enough for most people to enjoy the health benefits. Garlic tea. Yes, it's a thing. Boil crushed garlic with water, add lemon and honey. It's soothing and boosts immunity. So, the next time you cook, remember that those little cloves aren't just for flavor, they're tiny powerhouses of health. Start adding a little more garlic into your meals, and your body will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other wellness videos. See you in the next one.